Hello students, welcome back. Now we will talk about source of raising capital. Okay, in we will today talk about long-term sources. So source of raising capital can be of two type. Okay, it can be share and debenture. So when we talk about long term, so long term simply means more than a year. Okay, like for 2 years, for 5 years, for 10 years, or more than 10 years. It is long term. And before 1 year, it is a short term. Okay, so now we will discuss about the share and debenture. What do you mean by share? A share is one of the cap equal part into which the capital of the company is divided. So share is an we can say something from which the company can raise money from the capital market. Okay, like it is an part. It is a type of a certificate which company used to issue to their shareholders who are purchasing the share. Let's takes an example for understanding it. Okay, like I want to invest 1000 rupees in Reliance company. Okay, and I came to know that the price of Reliance is Reliance. The price of Reliance share is of rupees 100. Okay, so I want to invest 1000 rupees. So in that case, how many share I will purchase? So 100 times. It means 10 share I will purchase. Okay, so if I am purchasing 10 share, so 10 documents I will receive, in which the Reliance company name will be written over there. Okay, and I will pay the 1000 rupees to the Reliance company and I will get 10 shares. So that is known as share. Okay, anything uh, by which we can invest money and in return we get the certificate. Okay, so for share we can now we will discuss about equity share. What is equity share? So the concept will be clear because the share have been divided into two part: equity share and preference share. Okay, so in equity share, what are the benefits? Equity shares are those shares which do not carry any preferential rights in the payment of the annual dividend, but they have voting right. So first of all, I want to tell you, like if a person is purchasing share from a company, after purchasing the share of the company, he become the shareholder of that particular company. Okay, and he is also known as the owner of the company. Okay, so first of all, the best thing of buying share is that a person who is purchasing share has a voting right. So in annual general meeting, the company will call you and you can vote in annual general meeting for any decision or anything. Okay, but if you are buying equity share, so you don't have preferential rights to get annual dividend. So what do you mean by preferential right? Preferential right means like you will not receive the dividend firstly. Okay, so preferential rights is with preference shareholders. Okay, so the person who carry preference shareholder, they they get the dividend first, and after that the money which is left is given to equity shareholder. So that is known as preferential right of getting dividend. So dividend is something, a profit which a shareholder receive at the end of the financial year when the firm is earning profit. If the firm is not earning profit, so the shareholder will not receive any dividend from the firm because they are known as owner. Okay, so if a firm is performing well, then only they will receive the profit, that is known as dividend. So I think the point is clear. So person who is purchasing equity share, is known as shareholders and they have voting right, but they don't have preferential right of getting dividend. Okay, the point is clear. Now we will talk about preference share. So preference, a person who is purchasing preference share, they are known as preference shareholder. Okay, and they have the preferential rights of getting the uh, annual dividend, but they do not have voting rights. Okay, because preferential shareholders get the preferential rights of getting payment. That is why a company do not provide the voting rights to them. They only get payment and take the amount and go. Okay, so they will get dividend firstly, then only anyone will get the dividend. Okay, so this is known as preference share. Now I will talk about debenture. What is debenture? So debenture are the borrowed fund of a company. So debenture are known as the borrowed fund. Why? Because if a person is purchasing debenture, so in such case he become creditor of the firm, not owner. He don't have any voting right. Okay, because he is not the owner of the firm, he is the creditor of the firm. Okay, and he will receive a fixed rate of interest as a profit. Okay, and if and if the company is not earning profit, if the company is not earning profit, then also the company will arrange the fund and give the interest to debenture holders, because debenture holders are not the owners, they are the creditor of the firm. They don't know how you manage, they don't know how you will earn profit, they only know that the fixed rate of interest which has been decided they have to receive. Okay, so these they are known as debenture holders. So debenture is a certificate issued by a company under its seal as an acknowledgement of debt. So a debenture is a type of certificate which a company used to give to his debenture holder. It is a seal, under a seal, like company puts seal on that particular debenture, that shows that it is a sign of debt which a person has given to the company. Okay, students, I am sending you notes and worksheet also. Kindly complete it. If you face any problem, you can contact me. Thank you.